much hell in there. So I go into Aldi's and I get what I need. The garlic knots were already open, and so I go to the back. Well, she had charged me for it, and so I was like, let me just go to the back just to get another garlic knot. And y'all, all the bags back there were open. I was just like, that's some bull. So I ended up getting a loaf of garlic bread instead, and was like, can we just replace the garlic knots with these? So she did that, but she was having the darnest time trying to get it to go through, which I was just thinking to myself, like, why don't you just ask for the manager to come and, you know, give the refund? Because she was like, she has to do a refund and then you know, then ring it up. And I was just like, can't you just do an exchange? Like, it shouldn't have been that hard, y'all, to get the few items that I got and just to exchange the bread. It shouldn't have been that hard. But anyways, we got it, or what have you. It took her 6,000 tries. The lady that let me cut in front of her, because I just literally was like, excuse me, can't you just, you know what I'm saying, let me just go with this one, I'll pay you the difference. But the difference was just 30 cents, but it was just like, geez, she could have just let me just go out the store with it. Just like, girl, go ahead. I would have, because it was too much. All for an exchange, but I don't think she knew what she was doing, because the manager was like, no, you do this and that, and I was just like, oh. Anyways, we headed to the beauty supply house to get these wig tape strips so that your girl can get this head of mine, get the tape strips for my hair. It was so cloudy earlier today, y'all. I didn't think the sun was gonna come out today, but it decided to peep its head out and be like, what's up, girl? And I'm here for it. Like, what's up, Gucci? But yes, y'all, I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. I hope y'all had a fun-filled weekend. I definitely had a great time with my daughter yesterday. She had me laughing throughout the whole day, child, in every store. I was like, I am not about to cut up with you, girl. With your crazy self, y'all. She is hilarious. Gotta love the kiddos, you know. I thank God for my babies. I know there was like some talk about like people not wanting to bring any kids in this world right now, like with this economy, the way things are going with the president, and I was like, dude, the guy ain't even been in there for a full month just yet. Like, geez. But I mean, I just feel like this, like, Biden been in there, baby, and we've been suffering like crazy. I'm just gonna say that. Like, gas prices through the roof, prices on food is through the roof. Like, everything is just insane. For real, for real. It's just, let me see what Trump about to do. That's all. Like, let me see what he about to do. Trump, I seen a video, it was like he about to get his lick back, honey. Y'all about to unban Trump from social media because you got him messed up. I started laughing. I was laughing so hard, y'all. But yeah, Trump was like, yeah, freedom of speech. He was like, send that bill across his desk or something. I was just like, oh my gosh, like, what? You got a lot of people that hate him. You know, they won't give him a chance. You got a lot of people that is for Trump that's of color, like, because they're tired of the Democrats pretty much failing our people. Like, the Democrats have done a lot of things for other people, other races, other, just in general. I don't know. I don't want to get too deep off into it, but it's messy, y'all. The politics reminds me of that movie, Hunger Games. That's what it reminds me of, child. The Hunger Games. Y'all remember the Hunger Games? And that was my jam. I loved every movie, like all of the sequels. Dang, Walmart pack. Good thing I ain't going in there, honey. Baby, I ain't seen Walmart parking lot full like that in a minute. But yeah, y'all, I was laughing my butt off. So let me run off into this beauty supply house. I will be right back. But yeah, y'all, I will say this. It doesn't matter who the president is. Just make sure you take care of your home. Take care of your business and take care of your home, child. What y'all doing? 'Cause y'all weird. Honey, I done skirted between both of them, like sitting there looking at each other like, baby, I'll make y'all mind up for y'all. I'm finna go. This Investa is so freaking pretty. Y'all, the Buicks came out and they are just too freaking cute to me. And they are affordable cars. Definitely affordable, starting at like $25,000. Just for those that, you know what I'm saying, want a nice new car, but isn't charged like $60,000 for the damn car. Like, it's insane. But yeah, like I was saying, I always live by that motto. It don't matter who the president is. Take care of your house. Take care of your business, you know, and take care of your family the best way that you can. Because getting wrapped up in politicians, bull crap, honey, and arguing with people about laws and rules that you physically can't change. Like, you can't go in the office and just change that. Of course, we all know you got to get out there and vote. Do your part. Stuff like that, excuse me. But it ain't like you can go in there and just change it overnight. So, to all my people, take care of yourself. Y'all know the survival skills, honey. If you know, you know that your mama done embedded them, or whoever your guardian was. Or if you didn't even have a guardian, if you had to get it out the mud by yourself, I salute you. Like, for real. And that's all I got to say on that, child. But anyways, y'all, let's get in here and get this day started. Get this vlog started in my house. I think I should go walk my dog, though, because it's hot out here. It's kind of humid. But let's walk the dog. First of all, let's tape this hair down on the sides, honey, because this is what it's looking like. Y'all see that got to be glued? I can't stand that stuff. Like, I tried my best, y'all. But it just dries, and it's just like, ugh. My makeup on it. Don't judge me. Look at that. That's just disgusting, honey. We about to go fix that, though. We good. We about to go fix that. You see that? That ain't right. Let's get this tape and tape it down.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
up. I will finish fluffing it out tomorrow if I have time, or Tuesday, I should say, because it's getting later and I still have to do some things in my room. Like I need to clean my room up in my bathroom. So as long as we was able to get the tree up and situated to where it needs to be, moving the furniture around and cleaning this living room up for it, I'm a-okay with this. And like I stated, we'll put the ornaments and things of that sort on later on this week. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Until then, good night, y'all.
Hang by the fire,